This video answers the question, how do I change the name of my YouTube channel? Let's get to the video. First things first, make sure you are logged into YouTube. Let's do it together. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to type youtube.com and then it comes. Make sure you are logged in, okay? Not just open YouTube, make sure you are logged in. If you are logged in, you will know with a very icon at the right top corner here, the one I'm clicking on right now, and that is the next step. Click on that icon. Usually it will be your face or whatever you want to put there. And then let's click on YouTube Studio, like so. Once you are on your YouTube Studio like this, look at the left hand side. I'm looking at it as well. We have dashboard, content, analytics. Scroll all the way to you can find customization. Click on customization. If you come under the channel customization, we have layout, branding, and basic info. Let's go to the basic info. Yep, and here it goes. My name is here. It says choose a channel name that represents you and your content. YouTube is advising you. Changes made to your name and picture are visible only to YouTube and not other Google services. You can change your name twice in 14 days. So it means you can change your name as much as you want, if you get what I mean. And beneath it, you also have your handle, which you can also customize as well. The advice I always give people when they are starting out on YouTube is that it depends on you and what you want to do. I would advise that go with your name, like me, Carbell, Sarfo, easy. But you can also go with your name and what you do, like Carbell does photography. I keep saying that. I don't know why I keep saying that out. Or Carbell shot it, right? I want something French. Carbell le professeur, something like that. Something that goes with your brand. You make sure you try to get something that is very consistent across all your socials, right? So that is on LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, something very consistent, right? So once again, mine is Carbell Sarfo throughout all my socials. And with the handle, I do the same thing too. I have Carbell Sarfo. You find the same thing on LinkedIn, whatever place that you go. If you type my name, Carbell Sarfo, in Google, it's going to show up all my links. And that makes it easy to draw everything back to me. Even my website has the same domain name, so it's no-brainer. Subscribe to my YouTube channel to learn more about personal branding and personal development. Catch you in the very next one. Peace.